Okay, let's get to it. First up, CCleaner free. It comes in a free edition and a paid edition. This was the free. I use this to keep my PC clean, gets rid of all your trackers from when you go to different internet sites and such, shopping, whatever. Also gets rid of junk. You can see right here it has a custom clean where you can go through and get rid of literally everything. Your cookies, your history, everything that slows down your PC. I've been using this program for many years now. Love it. Works great. You can't live without it. It's a must-have, especially if you want to keep your PC running quick and clean. It also has the registry where you can go in and delete extra duplicate files that could slow your system down, that could affect your gaming, your performance, whatever you're working on. You can see right here where I'm going through. And here's all the extra duplicate DLL files and such. You can save it to the desktop just in case you accidentally delete something wrong. I don't, because I've been using it so long I know it works fine. Here's the tools where you can go in and delete certain programs. Here's the next one, Msi Afterburner. Excellent program for your video card. You can see here on both my fans, both my video cards, you can set up a custom fan curve so that way the fans kick on sooner so it doesn't throttle or overheat. Here's my curve right here. It's all customizable. You can have on-screen display for like if you do overclocking or benchmark videos. It's a very handy program to have. If nothing else, it'll save you a lot of money because video cards are pretty expensive. Right here is Malwarebytes. I use this to get rid of, excuse me, viruses, Trojans, all kinds of other things. It goes through and scans threats, checks for updates, checks your hard drive, checks your registry, your file system. Again, it's a must-have program and it's free. You can get the paid version of this, which is exceptional and well worth every penny. Personally, I use the free version. You can see right here where it goes through and shows you exactly what it scanned. It gives you a report. You can quarantine things that it finds. The next thing is built into Windows. They have a performance monitor and a resource monitor. I put these in my hotbar down below off the start menu so I can check them frequently to see the health of my PC. Excuse me. You can check your performance, you can check your data setup, you can make sure your CPU, your clock speeds, your memory, your network, make sure everything's running smooth, see if there's any bogged down or delays or any kind of issues that might happen. It's just something good to keep an eye on once in a while. It's not something you need to monitor all day, every day, just, peruse through it once in a while. I usually check it a couple times a week just to make sure everything's running smooth. It does hold files and folders of any error reports that come up, so that's a big plus. Make sure to check those. Yeah, I would recommend it. You can scan your CPU, your memory, your disk, your networks, everything's all listed right there for you. Definitely handy, very important to have. You can check your physical memory to make sure that it's working fine and you have the correct amount of storage you're supposed to. I hope these programs have helped in some way. I was asked by a subscriber friend of mine, what do I do to keep my PC running fast? Well, now you know the tricks of the trade. This is what I've been using for probably 15 years. Next is Windows Update. Make sure to go in there. Make sure your Windows is up to date. Make sure you click on optional updates. That's important. It covers a lot of things. You want to make sure your backup is turned on. You want to make sure your recovery is all set up so that way in the event something happened, you're good. You're safe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, smash that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Also, if you did like the video, drop a big like on it. I'd really appreciate it. And that way it pushes the video out to others to help them. If you're looking to follow me on my social media, here's my Twitter. You can find me on there. I will post some stuff there that does not make it to YouTube. Also, you can find me on Instagram. Not very often, but sometimes. I do post photos and stuff like that there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this helps in some way. Let me know in the comments down below. Did it help you? We'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching this how-to video. Hey, for more great helpful tips, make sure to click these right here. And if you like the content and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything coming up. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.